Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 3. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are 830, 835, 890 and this one given. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals of 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on. We have make this table. This is the frequency distribution table. Here we have made a frequency distribution table. We made a frequency distribution table. Here you see, this is the frequency distribution table, right? Here I have written that frequency distribution table is this one. Frequency distribution table. This is the frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution. This is the frequency distribution table. Now you will make the interval 8 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 850 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890, 890 to 900. Here is 810. If it is 810, it will be counted in this row, right? If it is 820, it will not counted this one, counted in this interval 820, right? Let us take the frequency first. The first one is 800 to 810. 800 to 810, 800 to 810, right? This 800, this is 810, but we have to take less than 810, less than 810, less than 810, less than 810. Here you see 808, this one 881, 808, 804, 804 and 804 and 806, right? The frequency is 800 to 810 is 3. In this way we will find all these frequency. 810 to 820, that is, we check here and it is 2, and 820 to 830, 820 to 830 is 1, 830 to 840, 830 to 840, which check here, it is 9, 840 to 850, 840 to 850 is 5, 850 to 860 is 1, 860 to 870 is 3, 870 to 880 is 1, 880 and 890 is 1, 890 to 900 is 4. You have to count all these, right? First we have shown the first one, this one, right? Now we have made the tally marks. Tally marks is 3, that is 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 1, 2. This is 1, means 1. This is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, this is 1, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the given distribution table, right? Dear friends, you have to count the intervals 800 to 810, that is 3, 810 to 820, that is 2, and you have to make the tally marks like this. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.